Hello guys, welcome to TradeView. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like my videos. If you have any suggestion or queries, please comment. So that will be improve my knowledge to share with you on upcoming videos. So already we have posted post market report for today expiry day. Hope everyone has watched. So if you don't watch, please watch and come back here. This is for pre-market analysis for tomorrow. Tomorrow bank nifty levels. So coming to our topic, this blue line will be the important level, 41,712 kind of this zones. Okay, so this level which I have marked, right, this red zone. So above this red zone, if market has taken retracement like this, then go for long up to here. This is for long position, and for short position from here, just check out here, but this is not that much like risk reward uh, for trading, because we have a lot of support levels and resistance levels will be there. So if market has opened in the same location which is closed, because as per the analysis, market today went like filled the gap of yesterday. So tomorrow market will be maximum by sideways day, not a trending day, hopefully, but we cannot able to predict 100%. Even though like 50 or 60% it will be a sideways day anyway. Like end of the day, maybe any breakout can happen, but we'll see tomorrow. But if once broken this level, like previous day low, this level, like it is opening here. Okay, like sometimes market will open here. If it is open previous day low and like retracement, then go for short opportunities and close your profits and trailing your stop loss. Okay, so it will go short up to the support level. Okay, but not sure if it is only on trending day it will go this much. Not on sideways day, we cannot able to sure. It will be like a breakout on some day, sometime, based on the news. So always follow the trailing stop loss once reach your like 80 percentage of your profit zone. Okay, sometimes market will open in this zone itself, like gap down or previous day low, below the previous day low. Just wait. Okay, don't go short, don't short or go for long. Wait, because if you go for long, there is some kind of strong support and sellers zones will be there. Okay, so wait for the clear view to our trading. Okay, once trend has been confirmed, then go for it. Once it's broken this level, like this green level, then go for short opportunity and follow the stop loss above this green level. Okay, if it is open the above previous day low and breaken the low level and taken retracement, then go for the short opportunity. So short opportunity here and long opportunity here, that I said. Okay, once broken, like opened in the above gap up, or it is open here or somewhere. Finally, it is broken here and taken the retracements from here, like this levels, like around 41,770 levels. Once it's broken, then go for long opportunity up to 41,950. Okay, so this will be the long and short opportunities here. Okay, so always trade with this stop loss as per your risk reward, 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3, based on the day. So tomorrow, not sure whether it will be a trending day, but maximum it will be a sideways day only. So wait for the opportunity or breakout to get enter the market. Okay. For the importantly for beginners, don't enter blindly and stuck up with the trades. Don't lose your capitals. Okay. So as like previous days, recent days has been like market not moved that much. Very volatility market is going on. So for beginners, please carefully handle the handle your capitals on here, like bank nifty or nifty. Okay, so this is the pre-market levels for tomorrow. So I'm planning to release some other topics like in technical analysis. So if you want to cover any other topics, please let me know on comments so I can share my knowledge on the particular topic as much as possible. Okay. So see you tomorrow at the end of the day with post market analysis. Until see you. Bye. Take care.